Today, our topic is how to reprogram your mind for success. Success is not something that happens by chance. It is not something that only a few people are born with. Success is a result of how you think, how you act, and how you approach life. Your mind is like a computer. It runs on programs, and these programs are made up of your thoughts, beliefs, and habits. If you want to achieve success, you need to reprogram your mind. You need to change the way you think, the way you see yourself, and the way you see the world. Let me explain how you can do this. First, you need to understand that your mind is powerful. Your thoughts create your reality. If you think positively, you will attract positive outcomes. If you think negatively, you will attract negative outcomes. This is not magic, it is science. Your brain is always working to match your thoughts with your experiences. So, if you want to change your life, you must first change your thoughts. Start by paying attention to what you think about every day. Are your thoughts helpful or harmful? Do they push you forward or hold you back? If your thoughts are negative, you need to replace them with positive ones. This is not easy, but it is possible. One way to do this is by using affirmations. Affirmations are positive statements that you repeat to yourself every day. For example, you can say, "I am capable of achieving my goals," or "I am worthy of success." When you repeat these statements, you are reprogramming your mind. You are telling your brain what to believe. Over time, these positive thoughts will become your new reality. Another important step is to surround yourself with positive influences. The people you spend time with have a big impact on your thoughts and actions. If you spend time with negative people, you will start to think like them. But if you spend time with positive, motivated people, you will start to think like them. Choose your friends and mentors carefully. Look for people who inspire you, who challenge you, and who believe in you. These people will help you stay focused and motivated on your journey to success. Next, you need to set clear goals. Success does not come from random actions. It comes from focused, consistent effort. You need to know what you want and why you want it. Write down your goals and make them specific. Instead of saying, "I want to be successful," say, "I want to earn a certain amount of money," or "I want to start my own business." When your goals are clear, your mind knows what to focus on. It starts to look for opportunities and solutions. But setting goals is not enough. You also need to take action. Many people fail because they never take the first step. They wait for the perfect moment. But the perfect moment never comes. The truth is, success is not about being perfect. It is about making progress. Start small, but start now. Every step you take brings you closer to your goal. Even if you make mistakes, keep going. Mistakes are not failures, they are lessons. Learn from them and move forward. One of the biggest obstacles to success is fear. Fear of failure, fear of rejection, fear of the unknown. But fear is just a feeling. It cannot hurt you unless you let it. The only way to overcome fear is to face it. Take action even when you are afraid. The more you face your fears, the weaker they become. Remember, courage is not the absence of fear. It is the ability to act in spite of fear. Another key to success is discipline. Success requires hard work and consistency. You cannot achieve your goals if you are lazy or easily distracted. You need to develop good habits and stick to them. This means waking up early, staying focused, and avoiding procrastination. It also means taking care of your body and mind. Exercise regularly, eat healthy food, and get enough sleep. When your body and mind are strong, you can handle challenges more easily. A big part of reprogramming your mind is learning to control your emotions. Life is full of ups and downs. Sometimes things go well, and sometimes they don't. But you cannot let your emotions control you. You need to stay calm and focused, no matter what happens. This is where Stoicism can help. Stoicism is an ancient philosophy that teaches us to focus on what we can control and let go of what we cannot. According to Stoicism, we cannot control external events, but we can control our reactions to them. When something bad happens, instead of getting angry or upset, ask yourself, what can I learn from this? How can I grow from this experience? By focusing on the positive, you turn challenges into opportunities. Another important lesson from Stoicism is the idea of gratitude. No matter how difficult your situation is, there's always something to be grateful for. Gratitude shifts your focus from what you lack to what you have. It helps you stay positive and motivated. Every day, take a few minutes to think about the things you are grateful for. It could be your health, your family, your friends, or even the small joys of life. Gratitude reminds you that life is good, even when it is hard. Finally, remember that success is a journey, not a destination. It is not about reaching a certain point and then stopping. It is about continuous growth and improvement. You will face challenges, but these challenges will make you stronger. You will have setbacks, but these setbacks will teach you valuable lessons. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep moving forward. Success is not about being perfect. It is about being persistent. Reprogramming your mind for success is not something that happens overnight. It takes time, effort, and commitment. But if you stay focused and keep working on yourself, you will see results. Start by changing your thoughts. Surround yourself with positive influences. Set clear goals. Take action. Face your fears. Develop discipline. Control your emotions. Practice gratitude. And never stop growing. Success is within your reach, but you have to reach for it. Believe in yourself and never give up. You have the power to create the life you want. All you need to do is reprogram your mind and take the first step. The journey may be long, but every step is worth it. Keep going, and one day you will look back and see how far you have come. That is the power of a reprogrammed mind. That is the power of success.